Hello, friends! Look at what I am making. I am drawing a U shape. I draw it again and again. Ooh, ooh, U.
Very good. Children, what she made is called pattern U. This pattern looks like the letter U. It goes down, round, and up. When we draw U again and again, we get a lumpy pattern. Let's draw it neatly and slowly. Patterns help us learn shapes and writing. Well done, kids. Today you learned how to make pattern U.
Hello, friends. I am number 41. I am written as 4 and 1. I come after 40 and before 42.
Look at us! We are 41 smiley faces. We are bright and happy. We make learning fun and joyful.
Hello, children. Today we are learning a new number. This number is 41. Look here, this is the number 41. We say it as 41. 41 means 4 tens and 1 1. We counted 41 smileys together. Say it once more with me. 41. Yes, very good, kids. Keep learning.
Hello, friends. I am a doctor. This place is called a clinic. When people feel sick, they come to my clinic. I check them and give medicine to help them feel better.
Hello, how can I help you?
Doctor, my son fell and hurt his leg.
Let me see. It's just a scrape.
It hurts.
This medicine will help. Take 1 pill.
Okay, thank you.
Doctor, my daughter has a fever and a cough.
Let's have a look. Open your mouth. She has a slight fever. This medicine will help.
Thank you, doctor.
Do not worry, children. Take your medicine and rest well. You will feel better soon.
Hello, children. We go to a doctor when we are sick. The doctor works in a clinic. The doctor checks us and gives medicine. Doctors help us feel better and stay healthy. So remember, when we are sick, we go to the doctor at the clinic. Take care of yourself, kids.
Hello, friends. I am the letter U. I come after letter T. Many words start with me. Hello, friends. I am an umbrella. I start with letter U. I help you stay dry in the rain. Hello, friends. I am a unicorn. I start with U. I am magical and beautiful. I look like horse. Hello, friends. I am upside. I show up and above. My word is upside. Upside starts with letter U.
Hello, kids. I am an umpire. I start with letter U. I help players play fair in a game. Let's play cricket. Great job, everyone.
Hello, children. Today we will learn a new letter. This is the letter U. Say letter U with me. U is for umbrella. We use an umbrella to stay dry in the rain. U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a magical animal in stories. U is for upside. Upside shows something going up. U is for umpire. An umpire gives rules in a game. Very good, children. Today we learned the letter U.
Hello, friends. I am number 42. I come after 41 and before 43.
Look at us! We are 42 colorful balls. We look bright and fun. We help children learn numbers in a joyful way.
Very good, children. Now let us count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. Excellent, children. You did a great job learning number 42 today.
Hello, kids. I am a fireman. I help people when there is a fire. I wear a special uniform and helmet to stay safe. I save people and put out fire.
This is a fire brigade station. Firemen work here. Fire engines are kept here. When there is a fire, firemen start from here.
I am a fire engine. I carry firemen and water. I move very fast to reach the fire. I help firemen put out the fire.
Hello, kids. We must be very careful with fire. Do not play with a matchbox. Do not turn on the gas in the kitchen by yourself. These things can cause fire. If there is a fire, we use safe things to put it out. We use a fire extinguisher. We can use sand. We can also use water.
Hello children, today we learned about the fire station. Firemen are brave helpers. They work together with fire engines to keep us safe. If there is a fire, we must call the fire brigade. Children, listen carefully. Fire can be dangerous. Never play with matches or gas. Firemen help us during fire accidents. They use water, sand, and fire extinguishers to control fire. Always follow safety rules and ask elders for help.
Hello, kids. I am a chef. I cook food. Come with me. Let's go and see the restaurant.
This is a restaurant. People come here to eat food. Families and friends visit the restaurant together. Come, let's see inside the restaurant. See the tables and chairs. People sit and eat food here. Food is served on plates.
Inside the restaurant, everyone eats happily. The restaurant is clean and neat.
Very good children. A restaurant is a place where we eat food. We sit properly and eat quietly inside a restaurant. The chef cooks tasty food here. People come with their family and sit inside the restaurant. We should not waste food and always use good manners. Very good.
Hello, friends. I am number 43. I come after 42 and before 44.
Look at us! We are 43 star shapes. We look bright and fun. We help children learn numbers in a joyful way.
Hello children. Today we are learning a new number. This number is 43. Look here, this is the number 43. We say it as 43. Very good children. Now let us count this star shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43. Excellent children. You did a great job learning number 43 today.
Hello.
Monday, alone. Tuesday, together. Wednesday, we walk when it's fine weather. Turns TV off, Friday, big cry. Saturday, oh, bossy, you almost fly. But off all the days in the week, I like Sunday to relax and sleep.
Hello, children. I am a policeman. I wear a uniform and help people every day. I keep everyone safe and follow rules.
This is my police station. I work here with other policemen. People come here when they need help. We listen to problems and help everyone. And here are the jails.
This is a police van. We use it to go quickly to help people. We also use it to catch thieves. The police van keeps our city safe.
This is my police bike. I use it to move fast on the roads. It helps me control traffic. I reach places quickly using my bike.
Good job children. The police help us in many ways. They work from the police station. They use police vans and bikes to help people fast. Children, the police are our helpers. The police help to maintain peace in our neighborhood. They manage crowds during festivals and programs. They protect people and keep us safe day and night. We should always respect the police and follow the rules. That's all for today, children.
Hello, children. I am a policeman. See, I help catch thieves. Stop right there! I stop bad people and keep everyone safe. I also control traffic on the road. I tell vehicles when to stop and when to go. This helps people travel safely without accidents.
Children, police officers are our helpers. They help to maintain peace in our neighborhood. Police catch thieves and protect people. They also manage traffic and keep roads safe. That is why we must respect and listen to the police. They work hard to keep us safe every day. Very good.